backside. I just saw him a second ago, so I know he's still going. So while I get these back to the barn, I'm actually going to open these up. These have been, let's see, when did I do this? End of October, I think, or middle of October. Excuse me. So anyway, I'm going to open these up and see how these look. But yeah, he's up the road starting that. Like I said, I got the bin all set up. And then I'm going to go up in the truck and we're going to do some soybeans. All right, so let's head up to the field. Shouldn't take too long to do beans. We only did 2. They're good sized fields, but we only did 2 fields this year. So, excuse me, should not take too long. All right, let's... took that from my my brother's house is right next to this field, so that was sitting out front, so I took it because I'm going to surprise the kids at my parents' house, and I'm making a scary snowman. So let's see how that turns out. I just gotta tell them don't jam any branches into the side of them, but I'll get some cans of spray paint and the kids can give them some buttons or maybe a bow tie or a regular necktie or something. Yeah, we'll just say his head's a little small, but whatever. Let's go unload these beans. Let's fire this up. The old 3010 on there now. I parked myself in a nice puddle. Warm in this truck. Ugh. So I've been asked before, why do we have this auger right here? Why don't we just come down in here and back up straight? Couple reasons. Down here in front of that auger tends to get kind of greasy, especially when you drive over it a couple times with a truck. I've driven up here before and backed up, and it just becomes a nightmare. Also, when I can stand behind there and mess with that chute, and I got a lot of space to get out of the way, if anything. When I'm backed up to here and I come in to adjust that chute, I'm really close between that tractor tire, the back of that box, and I'm really close to that PTO. I know that PTO is not going crazy fast, but I don't want to be near it. It's good to kind of just stay away from it, so I don't feel like getting stuck, and this gives me a lot more space. So I'm sure people will say, well, why do you get that auger? Why didn't you get one that has a, you know, one of those, whatever they're called, the second part that swings out? When we used to put, when my dad first put these bins up, it was all gravity wagons. So you would just pull up, unload, and go. We didn't have trucks. So throughout the years, we've updated equipment. We got a grain cart. We went to trucks. We just didn't upgrade augers. This one's working good. There's no need to invest the money. We got this one, the small auger for the silo over there for high moisture corn to get it in the blower. So we already had it. There was no sense in investing more money on another auger, especially for the acres that we produce. We're just not producing. If we were totally just grain farmers and we were producing more acres, yeah, I could see investing in an auger, but our wish list is quite long and there's a lot of things in front of a new auger. Loads, not too bad. So that was good to get that done. We ended up getting the whole field done. Didn't yield as good as we wanted it to, but you know, that's, you know, it is what it is. I was running around 14%, so that was good anyway. I got it the fans on that right now, so that should keep running the air to it, and that should knock it down to about 12%. So anyway, good first start of harvest. Now it's time to run down to the river flat and get the big field done, so that'll be in the next video. Anyway, thumbs up if you like this video, drop me a question or comment below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you, I totally appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. Have a good one, everybody.